Let me show you an easy way to clear all app data and cache on your iPhone. By doing this, you'll significantly reduce the size of any given app, but keep in mind it might also delete the drafts. If you do have drafts on that specific app, make sure you save it to your phone before you go through and delete the cache. Now, first open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and from here we can clear all of that app data by scrolling down and tapping on General here. Now within General, you'll be able to see iPhone storage. Let's tap on that. This shows up how much space is currently being used on your iPhone and shows all of the apps that are currently taking up space. You can see the first third-party app is YouTube, taking up 1.5 gigabytes. I can clear all of the app data and cache by offloading the app and reinstalling it. After I go through the process of reinstalling it, you'll be able to see that 1.5 gigabytes will decline significantly after it's been reinstalled. Again, I can go through all of these, going to any apps like Facebook, offloading it, and then reinstalling it. This will clear out all of that cache and temporary files. You'll be able to see once it goes through the process of reinstalling the Facebook, the YouTube app, any of those apps, you'll be able to see it takes up significant less space on here. You can see YouTube just dropped from 1.5 gigabytes all the way down to, let's find it on this list, there, 163 megabytes after it's been reinstalled.